Morning, Year 2. I hope you had a lovely weekend and that you are ready to come back with your brains switched all the way on to do another week of home learning. So we've got some phonics now. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say the sounds that we see on the next few slides. So get yourselves ready. Let's go. O, A, I, R, O, U, O, ow, E, oi, A, O, Fantastic, well done. Have you got all of those right? So that means we're going to go on to learning a new sound today. And that new sound is oi, spoil the boy. So what we're going to do is I'm going to say that again, and then it's going to be your turn. So when you see my hands like this, that means it's your turn. Oi, oi, oi. Spoil the boy, spoil the boy. Fantastic. And you might notice that in this phrase, spoil the boy, we've got our set 3 oi sound and our set 2 oi sound as well. So our next job is to find the sound on the slides. And then when you see this, you're going to say the sound oi. And then when you see this, you're going to say spoil the boy. Let's go. Spoil the boy. Oi. Spoil the boy. Oi. Oi. Spoil the boy. Oi. Fantastic. Especially if you managed to get that one where there were 2 ois next to each other. So our next job is to recap all the sounds that we know so far. And when you see the sound oi that we're learning today, you're going to say, that's right, you're going to say, that's the sound we're looking for. So get those fingers ready and let's go. O, A, I, R, O, A, oi. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you've spotted it. Let's have another go. O, U, oi. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done again. Let's have another turn. E, ow, A, oi, O, oi. That's right, that's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you spotted it all those times. So now that we're really good at saying the sound, we need to be able to write the sound. And we can see that oi is made up of 2 letters. That means it's a digraph because we have 2 letters that make the one sound when we put them together. And our 2 letters are an O and an I. And you can see from my line guide over here, they are both small letters. So none of these letters should be any bigger than the other. The only thing that should be slightly above is the dot that goes on top of your I. So if you follow my mouse, I'll show you how we write the oi sound. And this can be a little bit tricky because when we do an O, we have what's called a horizontal join. So I like to say that it's wearing a hat and it connects straight from the top of that next letter instead of doing your get ready to write from the bottom. You're already at the top. So hopefully that'll make a little bit more sense when you watch my mouse. So let's go. Get ready to write, spoil the boy. And then you do your dot at the end. I'm going to do that one more time. And you might want to get your imaginary pencil. Remember, you're using your perfect pencil grip, which is pinching and resting with your other fingers. And you're going to follow along. So let's make a start together. 3, 2, 1. Get ready to write, spoil the boy. Fantastic. I'm going to ask you to pause the video now and have a go at writing your oi sounds a few times on a piece of paper or on a whiteboard, and then take a picture of it and send it to your class email account. Really looking forward to seeing your beautiful handwriting, Year 2. Lovely. We should have all had a go at writing some of our oi sounds now. So our next job is to use the oi sound to spell some words. So I've got some words coming up. We need to use our thread fingers, and we're going to hide them, and we're going to count how many sounds are inside the words that I say. So the first word that you need to spell is spoil, as in spoil the boy, spoil. So count the sounds on your thread fingers. And when you've done that, write down the word spoil. Remember to add your sound buttons as well. Spoil. Super, let's have a look then. If you wrote spoil, is this what you wrote? You should have noticed that spoil has got 4 sounds in. Let's thread talk the word then. Spoil. Fabulous. Give it a tick if you got that right. If you made any mistakes, then just correct it now. Okay, thread fingers ready for our second word. Our second word is coin. Coin. Like you might have a pound coin in your pocket if you want to buy flapjacks. Coin. And when you've sounded them out on your thread fingers, write down the word on your paper or whiteboard. Lovely, let's have a look if you wrote the same as me. Coin, let's thread talk it. Coin. Excellent, well done. Another word, thread fingers ready. This time we're going to do join. Join. So how many sounds can you hear in join? And then write it down. Okay, let's have a look if you wrote the same as me. Super. Let's thread talk the word then. Join. Super. Remember, any mistakes that you make, just correct them as we go along. Okay, thread fingers ready for another word. This word is moist. Moist. That means when something's a little bit damp. Moist. Remember, when you've counted the sounds on your thread fingers, write down the word moist. Let's see if you got the same as me. Moist. Well done. Let's thread talk the word then. Moist. Excellent. We've got one final word to get our thread fingers ready. This time we're going to do voice. Voice. It's a bit of a tricky word, this one, because that last sound is actually made up with a digraph. So think about which 2 letters might be used to make up that S sound at the end, because it's not a S. It's trying to trick you. Voice. Have a go at writing it down. Voice. Let's have a look then. Fabulous. Let's thread talk this word then. Voice. That's right. It is a k and an e. And when I use this curly k and an e together, it makes the k turn into a s, which is a soft sound instead. So s. And you'll usually find this at the end of words, but sometimes it can go at the beginning as well. Fabulous. So now that we've done some super spelling, we've got to do some super reading. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the oi sound in all of these words, and then we're going to Fred talk it and blend it. So word number 1, where is our oi sound? Excellent, well spotted. It is here, oi. So let's Fred talk the word. Boil. Well done. That's when you cook something in a pan and it bubbles away in that water, boil. Let's have a look at that second word then. Where is the oi sound? That's right, it's here. Well done if you found it. So let's Fred talk it. Joint. Lovely. Joints are parts of your body that join your bones together. And that's why we can move our arms and our fingers and our legs like we can. Let's have a look at that third word then. Where is the oi sound? Excellent, it's here. Let's Fred talk it then. Oi, foil. Excellent, and you might have your packed lunch wrapped in foil. It's shiny and it keeps your food fresher. What about the fourth word then? Where is the oi sound? Excellent, it is in the middle once again. It's here. Oh, we've got 3 digraphs in this word, you might notice. So let's Fred talk this word. Oi. That's right, the k and the e together make a s sound. So let's Fred talk that one more time. Oi, choice. Excellent. Let's have a look at this final word then. Where is the oi sound in our final word? Lovely, it's in the middle again here. So let's Fred talk that word. Oi. What sound does this make? It doesn't make a s sound. When I have a s and an e, the s changes to a z sound. So these 2 letters together would make more of a z sound, especially when they come at the end of a word, really. So let's Fred talk that word one more time. Oi, z, noise. Excellent, and that's like a sound that you hear. You might hear a noise. Lovely. We can't forget to practice our alien words using the oi sound. So let's Fred talk them together. Let's go. Oi, sh, noish. Well done. Is that a real word? No. So what do we say? What a load of nonsense. Well done. Let's try this second word then. Oi, z, froys. Is it a real word? No. So we would say, what a load of nonsense. Let's do that last one then together. G, l, oi, b, a, l. Global. What a load of nonsense. So those words do not mean anything at all. Okay then, you have got a phonics challenge now. So what I'm seeing lots of children sending in their beautiful phonics handwriting. I'm not seeing many phonics challenges being sent in. So let's see if we can have a go at these as well. Now your challenge today is to read all of these oi words. And some of these are real oi words. And some of them are aliens. They are pretending to be real words, but they are not. So your job is to make a list of alien words and a list of real words. And then maybe if you had a little bit of time and you really wanted to challenge yourself, you could maybe think of your own alien word using the oi sound and your own real word using the oi sound as well. So you might want to pause the video here so you can see these words on the screen. Get a piece of paper or a whiteboard or whatever it is that you're happy to write on. Make one side of them your alien words and one side of them your real words. Well done, everybody, on another phonics lesson. And I will see you in another. Bye.